unfortunate part is there is no university or any skill program that teaches the youngsters what to accept from the internet and what to discard. There is no orientation program or skill training program. So what happens is young, vulnerable minds, teenagers or those who are in their 20s, they do not know what is right and what is wrong for them. I would request the university to encourage its students to use their library to the hilt, to take the students to excursions as we used to when we were in school and in college, to allow the mind of the children not to be corrupted with whatever garbage that comes their way through the internet, but to give them the expertise or the skills and the intelligence to choose what is good for them and what may not be so good. When I came here, I thought of saying this, sharing this, because I feel the time has come for us to dwell on this issue which I have flagged today while addressing all of you. If the mind has to develop, if a young impressionable mind has to develop, if the young impressionable mind has to get itself equipped with the skills to allow that young adult to sustain himself or herself and also be a responsible citizen in years to come, we must start thinking originally, we must start thinking differently, and we must come as close to reality as we can. I have flagged a few ways we can do it. One can spend some time in the library. One can read good books. One can watch very good movies. One can take long walks. One can do trekking. One can do a little bit of nature walk. And one more thing one can do. Small groups of students meeting for an hour or so and discussing about issues which concern not only them but the world as they know it. I am concerned because only one in this entire auditorium, a young girl, raised her hand when I asked the question, how many of you go to the library? My endeavor today is to give you an insight as to how all of you can have a better tomorrow than what it is today. A very damaging trend which I notice and which I think time has come for all of you to notice. I am sure the university will give a thought of whatever are my fears, which I have expressed, and tomorrow, as I always hope, will be a better tomorrow for each one of us. Thank you.